Hello students, good morning to everyone. How are you? Today we will discuss about some questions relating to isosceles triangle. In our last video we discussed two theorems. Equal sides are given. How can we find out the angles are equal to the opposite sides, and if equal angles are given, how can we find out the sides are equal opposite to them? Now here another points relating to isosceles triangle. Just this is an isosceles triangle A, B, C. AB is equal to AC, so angle B is equal to angle C. If this is perpendicular, so this angle will be equal to this angle, means the perpendicular of I also said to you, every triangle has a three bases, but in isosceles triangle, except two equal sides, the third side is treated as the base, and the vertex opposite to it is the vertex. So the vertex angle, the bisector of an angle, is also bisect the base and a perpendicular to the base. Otherwise the perpendicular bisector of a base passes through the vertex and bisect the vertex angle, and vice versa. So AD is also the perpendicular of to BC according to our median, and perpendiculars, three perpendiculars of a triangle are concurrent, three medians are concurrent. So in isosceles triangle, the perpendicular drawn from vertex A to BC bisect angle A and bisect angle BC, bisect side BC and perpendicular to BC. In this AD there is a point which is centroid, and also there is a point which is the orthocenter. So AD is the perpendicular to BC. Now if in isosceles triangle two equal sides produce two equal exterior angles produced, and exterior angles so formed are also equal, this equal to this. This is the some statements, some points we have to know. Then we will go to solve some problems relating to isosceles triangle. Question number 1. In ABC, here is a figure. A, B, C, it is D. AB is equal to BC, AC is equal to CD. So given in this figure, AB is equal to BC, AC is equal to CD. To prove angle BAD is to angle ADB, angle BAD is to angle ADB is equal to 3:1. 3:1. So after understanding the theorems, corollary, a student has a much more interest to do deduction or exercise. Now look, solution. Here AB is equal to BC, AC is equal to CD. In this triangle, in ABC triangle, as AB is equal to BC, so this angle is equal to this angle. As in ACD triangle, as AC is equal to CD, so this angle is equal to this angle. Now look, first take BAD and ADC. The angle BAD is to angle ADC is equal to 3:1. Take, let angle ADB is equal to x. Suppose this angle be x. Angle ADC is equal to x. So as AC is equal to CD, as AC is equal to CD, as AC is equal to CD, given in triangle ACD. So this is x, angle D is equal to angle CAD, that is equal to x. If it is, this is x and this is x. This is x. Two sides are equal, so angles opposite to them are equal. Now look, in ACD triangle, in ACD triangle, CD produced up to B. So here an angle is formed, which angle is an external angle of triangle ACD. External of a triangle ACD is ACB. So we know that the external angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite internal angle or remote internal angle. There are two remote internal angle. So external angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two remote interior angles. So this angle plus this angle is equal to this angle, as angle ACB is an next angle of triangle ACD. So ACB, angle ACB is equal to sum of remote interior angle, x plus x is equal to 2x. So this angle will be 2x. This is x, this angle is x, so this is 2x. Now in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, as AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, so this angle is equal to this angle. Angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle ACB, that is equal to 2x. So this will be 2x. So now here is BAD is to ADB is 3:1. Now take the ratio. Here BAD, angle BAD is to angle ADB that is equal to BAD angle 2x plus x, 3x is to x, x cut off, that is equal to 3 is to 1, which is proof. Very interesting. First we take the smallest angle as x, as BAD is to ADB is equal to 3 is to 1. So we took the angle, smallest angle ADB is treated as a x degree. Then ADB angle in ACD triangle, ADB angle is equal to CAD angle. So this is x and this angle will be x, and these two angles are remote interior angle of triangle ACD, while exterior angle is formed. So angle BCA is equal to x plus x, that is equal to 2x. Then in ABC triangle, AB is equal to BC. So angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is 2x, this is 2x. Now come to our proof statement. BAD is equal to ADB. BAD 2x plus x, that is 3x is to x, that is equal to 3 is to 1. Very interesting. Take a screenshot. Then we will go to the next problem. Question number 2. A, B, C and here is a line, that is D, E. D is parallel to BC, and here is a point F. BF is the bisector of this angle. CF is the bisector of angle C. This is the bisector of angle C. This much given. DE is parallel to BC. DBP, angle DBP is equal to angle ABC. Angle PCE is equal to angle FCB. FCB. To prove DE is equal to BD plus CE. BD plus CE. This much given and this much is proof. This is the figure. DE is parallel to BC. BF is bisector of angle AB. CF is the bisector of angle C. To prove DE is equal to BD plus CE. BD plus CE. D is equal to BD plus C. Now look here. Proof. We know the parallel lines and transversal, then congruence triangle, parallel lines, transversal, triangles and congruence triangles are, I already said, and today I am also say that congruence of a triangle, 5 conditions of a congruence triangle, and parallel lines and transversal are so important for any geometrical figure or anywhere while you doing the geometry, trigonometry or coordinate geometry. So D is equal to BD plus C to prove. Now as BF is the bisector, so DBF angle is equal to FBC angle. This angle is equal to this angle due to given. This angle is equal to this angle. Then next, if look, take a close look. If DE is parallel to BC and BF is a transversal, I write that point as DE parallel to BC and BF transversal. Which angle is shown there? Which angles are shown there and which angles are equal? Now DE is parallel to BC, BF is transversal, so interior angles are there, no exterior angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. First B, this is equation 1. So this angle FBC, angle FBC is equal to angle DFB. DFB, why? Alt int angle. This is equation 2. Equation 1, look the equation 1 and 2. DBF is equal to FBC. FBC is equal to DFB. So DBF from equation 1 and 2, DBF is equal to DFB. DBF, this angle is equal to this angle. So look close, look, this angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are present in one triangle. So to DBF triangle, in DBF triangle, so two angles are equal, then two sides are equal opposite to them. So BD is equal to DF. So BD is equal to DF. So equal angles cause equal angles have equal sides opposite to them. Equal angles have equal sides opposite to them. Similarly, we can prove that. Now come to this side, we can prove that CE is equal to EF. CE is equal to EF. We can prove that C is equal to EF. This is equation 3. This is 4. Now DE is equal to DF plus EF. DF plus EF, that is equal to DF is equal to BD. We can write BD instead of DF, BD plus EF is equal to CE. So D is equal to BD plus C. So D is equal to BD plus C. Proved. This is the next question. This was the next question. While to in a triangle, in this figure, if D is parallel to BC, BF is the bisector of angle B, CF is the bisector of angle C, then prove that DE is equal to BD plus CF. By this way it can prove. Then take a screenshot and we will go to the next problem. Next question. Then question number 3. ABC is a triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. AB is equal to AC. D is a point on BC. D is a point on BC. DE is perpendicular to AB. DE is perpendicular to AB. DE is perpendicular to AB. DF is perpendicular to AC. DF is perpendicular to AC. DF is perpendicular to AC. Prove that. So given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. DE is perpendicular to AB. DF is perpendicular to AC. To prove. BD bisects angle EDF. BD bisects angle EDF. EDF angle. Now to prove BD is the bisector of BD is the bisector of this angle. Now prove. Look, as AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, so this angle is equal to this angle. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. We know two sides are equal, then two angles are equal. As AB is equal to AC or given, then angle ACB is equal to angle DCF. DCF. Angle ACB is equal to angle DCF. What kind of angle they are? You know, vertically opposite angles. You should learn the basic knowledge of geometry. Triangle, parallel lines, transversal, vertically opposite angles, linear pair, supplementary angle, complementary angle. So AB is equal to, so this is vertically opposite angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. So ABC is equal to ACB, ACB is equal to DCF. So angle ABC is equal to angle DCF. Angle ABC is equal to angle DCF. Now take two triangles. In triangle BED, in triangle BED, and in triangle CDF, in triangle BDE and triangle CDF, look, BED. So BED, angle BED is equal to angle CFD, that is equal to 90 degree given. So then angle ABC is equal to angle DCF, here proved. So two angles of one triangle are equal to the two angles of other triangle, then the third angle of two triangles are equal. What are the third angles of two triangles? So this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. So the third angle BDC, so angle BDE is equal to angle CDF. Angle CDF. What is the reason? Third angle. Third angle of triangle are also equal. If this angle is equal to this angle, so CD, DC or BD is the bisector of an angle. So BD bisects angle AEDF. Proved. Now take a screenshot. So this is the things relating to isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, transversal and parallel lines, congruence is the conditions of a congruence triangle, vertical opposite angle are much more important in geometry section. So try to work out again and again. No things to remember, everything is to work out. It becomes easier and easiest. So for today this much. In the next video we will discuss about a new topic, new interesting topic. For today this much. Thanks. Very good.